Hi, a very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss a flowchart, and this flowchart illustrates the production of colored plastic clips in a small factory. So we have a flowchart, and this flowchart represents the production of colored plastic clips in a small factory. So let us go ahead with the picture. Let's analyze the picture in detail. First of all, we have the raw material as molten plastic. This is the raw material. The raw material is poured into three specific molds where we have red mold. When we have red mold, we'll be getting red paper clips. Blue mold, we have blue paper clips, and yellow mold, we have yellow paper clips. We have three specific paper clips here, colored paper clips. So after this process, we'll be having a quality check, and this is done by machine. This is a machine quality check, and this assesses the strength of the paper clips which is manufactured just now. The poor quality paper clips are rejected, and the others, the good qualities, are sorted by hand and separated. So we have single colors. When we have single colors, I mean yellow is one single color, blue is one single color, red is one single color. So we be arranging into set of yellow clips, set of blue clips, set of red clips. And mixed colors, we'll be having a box when we have red clips, blue clips, and yellow clips. So we have we have sorted and we have separated the clips based on single colors and multicolors. And after that, again, we'll be having a second quality control check. We check both the mixed clips, and we check both the single clips too. And after this checking, the clips are packed and dispatched to various destinations based on the demand of the product. And this is what we have to understand. So in the answer sheet, I have to say in the first, we have to understand. In the introduction, we need to say what is a picture and what is it about. Let's see what is a picture. The picture is a flowchart. So it is there in the part. It's a flowchart. Okay, what is said in the flowchart? A step-by-step process of production of colored plastic clips. Where in a small factory? Where is that small factory mentioned? It is there in the question. The production of colored plastic clips in a small factory. Yes. So what is there in the flowchart? A step-by-step process of the production of colored plastic clips in a small factory. Now, what you can see overall, the process begins with when the molten plastic is poured to respective molds and ends with the dispatch of packed paper clips. So when we start the process, when we pour these two individual molds, and when we end the process, when we pack and dispatch these clips. So this is what we can see. Overall, the process begins when the molten plastic, which is the sole raw material, when the process begins when the molten plastic, which is the sole raw material, is poured to respective colored molds and ends with the dispatch of packed paper clips. So we have added some data there, which is the sole raw material. This is not, this is the only raw material we have in the process of clips manufacturing. So, and this is poured to respective colored molds, red, blue, and yellow, and ends with the dispatch of packed paper clips. So let's see what is there in the first paragraph. As per the chart, in the first step, plastic is molten to the desired temperature and is then filled in molds of 3 distinct colors, red, blue, and yellow. So as mentioned in the chart, you can see in the chart, in the first step, you can see the first step is plastic is molten to the desired temperature. Yes, it is molten. And is then filled in molds of 3 distinct colors. Those are red, blue, and yellow. Yes, red, blue, and yellow. Yes. When the molds get cooled, the clips are separated from those and are sent to quality assessment in order to evaluate their strength. Okay, so when it becomes cool, it is taken out, separated, and sent for quality assessment for assessing the strength. Good quality paper clips are sorted by hand into single and mixed colors, and the quality control assessment is repeated. So it is sorted by hand into single and mixed, and then we have the quality control repeated. In the final step, that is after the second quality control test, paper clips are packed securely and dispatched as per the demand. So it is packed very safely and dispatched as per the demand of the customers. Now, the poor quality paper clips are rejected after the first quality control assessment. After the first quality control assessment, you can see the poor quality paper clips are rejected. So this is what we can see, and we have written it at last. And that is the presentation. We have 162 words here. Word count 162. Okay, so that is the presentation. So I hope you must have all understood this particular flow chart. Thank you. And one more thing I just want to tell you is that there's this process, whatever the process diagram, we have to write it in present tense. We should not use any other tense here to present processes. Thank you.